this is so cool.
Oh my god.
I feel really cool. This is different. This is giving fashion.
Do the twirl.
Fashion Week and your brand is sponsoring it.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Stunning.
I'm obsessed.
Absolutely stunning.
Okay, this is it. Tomorrow, New York Fashion Week. New York Fashion Week X Live Tinted. How cool. Okay, really exciting time because we are in New York for New York Fashion Week, and this is just so full circle for me. When I lived in New York back in the day in my 20s, I used to go to Fashion Week all the time, and I would hustle my way to be, you know, sitting at shows, sometimes front row, sometimes only getting backstage access, always hoping like a photographer would stop me on the street and ask for a photo and all these things. And so to be there so many years later, have my brand be sponsoring and doing backstage makeup for our first show is just so freaking cool. And it couldn't have happened with a better fashion brand that I feel like just connects to me and just what this brand is about, and also just because he's a great human being. Bibhu is a amazing designer who's dressed everyone from Michelle Obama, Mindy Kaling, I mean all these amazing humans, right? I have never worn his clothes, which is crazy. I mean, we've connected so many times and tried, but like it didn't fit. There was always a reason or something like that. But now Daniel Martin, my friend who you guys know, is gonna do all the models' makeup backstage using Live Tinted, and we are debuting our new HueGuard skin tints on the runway. But yeah, this is like really the first moment the world's gonna see our skin tints, and he just called me and we chatted, and it was so cool because he basically was saying how he wants this to be about skin, but this girl is like out and she's going out. It's a 7 p.m. show, and she wants it to be, he wants it to be all about beautiful smoky eyes. This is our first time our brand is doing New York Fashion Week. I could not have dreamt of a better human to do this with. I'm so grateful. Thank you for thinking of us. Like, I will remember this for the rest of my life, that you and I did this together.
We did, and I will remember it too. But look, you are on a mission, and you have so many wonderful things under your belt. But this is only the beginning. Whenever I see you, whether in person or on your videos, your skin glows, and there's nothing looks like it's put on, and of course you have those most incredible eyes, and it's really talks about who you are and how you sort of project yourself, and that's what we're trying to do.
Our products fit so perfectly into the DNA of what he's trying to show. We're trying to do the most, y'all. Like, when it comes to launching a new product, think about it. There's a million people launching products at the same time. And we're just trying to cut through the noise and make people realize how special this product is. Like a mineral skin tint SPF 50.
SPF 50, that's insane.
A mineral one, right? Like all the ones that are launching right now are all chemicals. Right. So it's like a really big deal that we made a mineral one that doesn't leave like a ashy whiteness on your skin. And we're doing 10 flexible shades. I mean, the amount of innovation and effort that went into this. We got some of our influencer friends to come sit front row with me. I mean, the goal is to get your rich BFF, Cyrus and Achieng front row. I mean, that in itself is what Live Tinted stands for, the diversity of those 4 people front row. It was so much work that went into launching this product. You guys are gonna freaking love it. Live Tinted is doing New York Fashion Week. Like, what? I'm gonna be honest with you, and I know I get emotional about this because this brand is my everything, and I try not to because I'm also the CEO, so I have to have like a business perspective, but it does make me emotional. And whenever you guys decide to share it with just telling even a friend word of mouth, it means so much, so much. Yeah. Let's go. I can sit here and say that I'm good and I'm happy. I'm not. It's not that I'm not happy. I'm just anxious. There's so many moving pieces happening. The good news is we have Club Tinted in the house. Maha traveled all the way from LA with this sign. Look how fabulous they look. Oh my god, I just got
I'm gonna be honest. I remember the first shoot I did.
Yes, I was just
with
gonna say that.
Deepica. I heard about you. I saw all the things you were doing. I know you were doing the damn thing. And then I worked with you guys for the first time. I was like, this is amazing. I love this brand. I love what you stand for. And it is so beautiful and affirming to see that you are doing the damn thing and that people really, truly believe in your brand.
Thank you.
This was like my first actual scene show.
Now we're going, that was epic and iconic and I'm still buzzing, and now we're going backstage. I haven't been backstage yet to see. I'm reeling over the, did you see the skin? The skin was skinning. And all the women of color, every single model was a woman of color, and there was shades for all of them, and none of their skin looked ashy, which is iconic and amazing. You were all beautiful. My brand did the makeup backstage, and your skin was skinning. You looked beautiful. Congratulations on an amazing show. It was epic. Oh my God. Thank you guys for waiting. You guys, I was like, I was like, you so incredible. I'm so grateful. You guys, every single model last night was a woman of color, and every single one of them was wearing lip tinted. Huge shout out to Daniel Martin, Bibhu, for making a dream come true, and everyone who came to our after party last night, and the influencers who came through to support us. I mean, everything was just love. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys for supporting, and go get the skin tint. It's iconic. Until next time, we're out.